Hi friends, I'm showing you this Mocamola 20 pieces stainless steel flatware cutlery set. So as you can see, this is like a cutlery set for 20 pieces, and there are like total 5 designs with 4 pieces each, and they are like used for the classic design and have this used in multiple occasion. They are 4 dinner forks, 4 dinner spoons, 4 teaspoons, 4 dinner knives, and 4 salad forks. So I will show you this one by one. This is a heavy steel and a good size, like the big size. The handles easy to clean and dishwasher safe. These are the sizes for this 5-piece set, and then total is 20 pieces set. So the 4-piece each of these 5. Some is a really good dinner set, and I can say that the steel is good, easy to clean and wipe.